welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be discussing something a little bit different. I'm gonna let you guys know how I stayed at hotels in Cartagena, Colombia for free. Not one, not two, but 3 hotels. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button if you want more videos like this. So the first thing I actually did was pay for a few nights. So you don't have to do this. Obviously, if you're already a travel influencer and you have a portfolio of like different hotels you've worked with and you have something to show them, then you don't have to do this. I just did this by accident because it didn't even occur to me like, hey, I can use my platform and get some free night stays. Like, it didn't even hit my mind until I was there and I already paid for the hotel. But it was not a bad thing because I already got to capture some content, take some pictures, kind of build like a little mini portfolio and something to present to them while I was pitching during that period of time. So it's not a bad idea, but like I said, you do not have to do that. I'm just saying what I did. So number 2, you want to contact the person that is in charge of the social media marketing. So the way I did that, since I was already staying at the hotel, I literally just went downstairs, went to the front desk, and I was like, hey, I'd like to work with the hotel. How do I get in touch with the person that's in charge of the marketing and the management for the social media? So it was very easy. They're extremely nice. They gave me her number, her email, and I just shot her a message, and then we met right in the restaurant of the hotel. So once I did that, you want to make sure you have your media kit, your rate card, and all your social media channels together. Like, you want to be prepared because you're pitching to get free nights, so you don't want to go in the situation like with your ish all a mess. So you want to make sure you have all that stuff together to begin pitching a deal. So yeah, once I was sitting with her, I pretty much just showed her my media kit. I showed her my Instagram profile, my TikTok profile. They're more interested in working with me on Instagram because that's the platform they use. So yeah, I showed them everything, and then you also want to show them your rate card. I wasn't charging, but you can charge if you're already like a travel influencer and like, you know, you want to collect your coins. For me, I just wanted a couple free nights stay. Like, I was okay with that. But you want to have your rate card so you can show them the value of a reel or a image, and then you can see the value of a night stay or 2 night stay, and you kind of compare and contrast. Well, not really contrast, but you can compare the two so they can see like, hey, okay, I'm doing this and that's why it's worth staying here, essentially. So that's why you want to have your rate card on deck if you're not planning to charge, but just for comparison purposes. So after that's done, obviously you want to then draft up a contract or some formal type of agreement. The last thing you want to happen is your pictures or your videos end up like on billboards or somewhere plastered. Like, you know, it's just not what you agreed upon. So once both parties agree on something, either they need to get you a contract or have your own contract on deck, and you guys sign that before any content is started. You have to protect yourself. So you want to make sure that's done, and then you can start creating content for them and enjoying your free nights at the hotel. And last but not least, you want to be quick with your deliverables. So now I understand you're at the hotel, you want to have a good time. Like, yes, you want to enjoy it. You don't want the whole time to just be work. But it does pay to kind of get things to clients fast and establish like a good relationship. Because like, for example, in my case, and this could be as simple as like story posts, because I know you have to like edit, you know, feed posts and stuff. But in my case, I got the deliverables to them really fast. They loved it, and they wanted to offer me even like more free things, you know, like comp my food, free massages, stuff like that. So it pays to get the content back to them a little bit faster, and then you can chillax and you get even more perks added on top of that. So I definitely like, you know, be a little swift with how you deliver your content. So yeah, I didn't want to make this video too long because it's literally that simple. It's really not anything complex. A lot of the times we're just scared to ask certain things, and we forget the most that, you know, a brand, a company, anyone could say is no. If they say no, you just keep pushing, you know, but it doesn't hurt to ask. I'm so glad I asked. I had a great time while I was there. Throughout the video too, you know, I'll insert a few images and stuff that I took for them, or you can also check out my Instagram at Melissa McFierce and my TikTok at Melissa McFierce to see a little bit of content that I did for the hotel. And the hotels I stayed at was Hotel Monoquillo, Hotel Santo Toribio, and Capilán de Gestamani. They're actually all sister hotels, and they were all located within Cartagena, and it was just a lovely stay. So I'm very glad that I got to work with them, and I hope you guys can land a contract as well like that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts or any other questions you have about pitching yourself to hotels.